Hi, I'm David with WET. Today we're going to introduce you to the Pressure Mower. Comes standard with a gun to operate the surface cleaner and a gun to operate the pressure washer side. This is an all-in-one surface cleaner / pressure washer. It comes standard with a rugged steel frame that supports the weight of the 14 horsepower Vanguard engine, a commercial grade 3500 psi 4 gallon a minute direct fed AR pump, 25-foot hose reel, 30-inch dome, solid fill rear tires, and a front heavy-duty caster for stability and turning of the unit. Now we've talked about it, let's go outside and show you how it operates.